a plus ib equals x plus iy is given, we are asked to prove three results. Let's prove the first result, x square plus y square plus 2x cot 2a equals 1. Since it is given that tan a plus ib equals x plus iy, we can have tan a minus ib by just replacing I by minus I here in the RHS. We obtain it as x minus iy. We can express tan 2a as tan a plus ib plus a minus ib, because when we simplify these terms we obtain 2a back. This expression can be expanded using the formula of tan x plus y, which equals tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y, where x equals a plus ib and y equals a minus ib. Thus you get this expression, and you can replace tan a plus ib here and here by x plus iy. You can replace tan a minus ib here and here by x minus iy. Here in the numerator you can cancel iy and negative iy, it becomes 2x. In the denominator, this term is of the format a plus b into a minus b, which becomes a square minus b square. Here we have a equals x and b equals iy. Therefore we obtain a square minus b square as x square minus I square y square. When we replace I square by minus 1, we have a square minus b square becoming x square plus y square for this expression. Therefore, the denominator becomes 1 minus x square plus y square. When negative sign is multiplied inside the parenthesis, our denominator becomes 1 minus x square minus y square. Now we can multiply 1 minus x square minus y square along with tan 2a. So we obtain this expression. Since we are interested in a result involving the term cot 2a, we will bring tan 2a as the denominator in the RHS. Now our RHS become 2x cot 2a. When we bring the terms minus x square and minus y square to the RHS, we obtain the desired result, x square plus y square plus 2x cot 2a equals 1. Now let us prove the second result, x square plus y square minus 2y cot h2b plus 1 equals 0. Since we are looking for a term cot h2b, we will be depending on tan 2ib. We know that tan 2ib can be expressed as tan a plus ib minus a minus ib. Now we can expand this term using the formula for tan x minus y equals tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x tan y, where x equals a plus ib and y equals a minus ib. We can replace tan a plus ib here and here using x plus iy, and tan a minus y here and here can be replaced using x minus iy. Now the numerator after simplification becomes 2iy, since we can cancel x and minus x. The denominator, again we have terms of the format a plus b into a minus b, and after multiplication it becomes x square plus y square. Therefore the denominator is 1 plus x square plus y square. Thus we have obtained tan 2ib equals 2iy upon 1 plus x square plus y square. We can write tan ix equals I times tan hx. Therefore tan 2ib can be written as I times tan h2b. Now we can cancel I and I from both LHS and RHS. When we bring tan h2b as the denominator in the RHS, since we are looking for cot h2b to appear in our result, and we can bring 1 plus x square plus y square as numerator in the LHS. Now we have the RHS becoming 2y cot h2b, because tan h2b equals 1 by cot h2b. Therefore we have 1 plus x square plus y square equals 2y cot h2b. When we bring 2y cot h2b also to the LHS, we have the desired result, x square plus y square minus 2y cot h2b plus 1 equals 0. The third result to be proved is that x by y equals sin 2a upon sin h2b. We know to separate tan a plus ib to real and imaginary parts. We have tan a plus ib equals sin 2a upon cos 2a plus cos h2b plus I times sin h2b upon cos 2a plus cos h2b. Since we also have tan a plus ib equals x plus iy, we can equate real and imaginary parts of these two expressions. We have x equals sin 2a upon cos 2a plus cos h2b, and we have y equals sin h2b upon cos 2a plus cos h2b. When we take x by y, we have this expression divided by this expression. Since the denominators are same, we can cancel the denominators and we are left out with x by y equals sine 2a upon sine h2b. Hence, prove the result.